So you can change your picture background or colors from this to this to this and to this. Okay, so just watch this video till the end and I will show you step by step on how to do exactly this that you just saw now. This video we are going to be learning how to use this special tool I'm going to be revealing in this video to know how to change your image background, your image color, like the pictures you're using for your thumbnail or your normal pictures, like when you snap picture in a location that, yeah, this picture is very fine, but you can't post it online because the background is not looking nice. Okay, so another thing is, when, like, as a content creator, if you're actually snapping pictures for thumbnails and later you would like to change the clothes, like the outfit, before you use it for another thumbnail, okay, so sometimes we don't have the time to start doing all of this. So I'm going to be showing you how you can use a free tool to change the image, your image background, for free. It's 100% free, okay, and you can change as many images as you want. You can change, like, you can change any image you want. You can change the clothes, you can change the background, you can change the hair, you can change the makeup, whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to be revealing the free tool at the end of this video, and I'm going to be showing you how you're going to do this. Okay, after showing you how you can be able to change the background of the pictures, and if you are an online vendor, okay, if you're an online vendor and you sell clothes, you have just one picture of the clothes and you have so many colors in the house, instead of going to change looking for models, since you have only one model that has worn that outfit before, instead of you to go and change, trying to look for model that will be changing so that you snap, you can actually use this particular tool to change colors of that clothes. It will not affect anything, it only changes the color. So many of these e-commerce and business owners, they use tools like this to change different colors of outfits, different background, like, name it. Okay, this tool is all you need. So I will go over to the other side of my screen and show you exactly how you're going to use it to change your image background, to change the color of your clothes, to like, the use of this particular tool is numerous. Okay, so you can use it for so many purposes aside from the one that I'm going to discuss with you in this video. In my next videos, I'm going to keep on explaining how you can use this tool. If you're into Froctal, if you want to generate AI pictures, you can also use this tool to generate AI pictures, and it's 100% free, guys. It's 100% free. You can generate as many pictures as you want. You can upload your own picture and ask it to do anything. You want to change the color of your hair, you want to change your makeup, like, it's so fun to use this particular tool. So let's move over to the other side of my screen so that I show you exactly how to use this particular tool to achieve this result. And please do not skip any part of this video. If you skip any part of this video and you miss some important points and you don't get the desired result, like what I'm telling you about in this video, if you miss any part of it, you will actually not get it right. So please watch till the end. I will make the tutorial as brief as possible so that you get value for your time. Okay, so we're going to be learning 3 benefits, like, of this app. You can use it to do so many other things. So if you're into Froctal, for example, if you're into generating Froctal stories and all that, you can actually use this app to generate any kind of pictures that you want. Okay, for example, now I want a picture of a lady, let me just say a black lady sitting in an office. Okay, I want to get a picture of a black lady sitting in an office wearing a red suit. Okay, all right, so let's see the outcome, how it is going to look like. You will see that this app actually generates consistent images. Okay, can you see that? Can you see the kind of pictures it's brought out? Very clean. Okay, very clean. All right, so I'm going to save this one that I like, and I'm going to use this one to show you another feature of this particular app. Okay, so I'm going to click on this plus sign. If you have any other picture like you sell online or it's your own personal picture, okay, it doesn't mean that it's only for e-commerce people that sells online. If you actually have a personal picture and you want to change the color of your outfit, okay, you can also do that. Click on photo library. So I'm going to go to photo library and pick one of those images I just generated from here. I'm going to pick this one. Is a lady wearing a black suit. Okay, the same way I generated this one that is wearing red, so that's the same way I generated this one as well. So what I'll have to say is change the outfit. The outfit she's wearing. I've attached the picture now, so I'll tell it change the outfit to blue color. You can actually tell it to change it to any other color you want, yellow, purple, any color you want. I'm just using blue for example. So let's see how the outcome is going to look like. And you just take a look at this, okay? That same picture that I gave it, that same picture, as you can see, it has already changed the color of the suit now to yellow, okay? Let's try another one. Like this one wearing red. I will now say change the outfit to yellow. Okay, let's hold on and see as well. Can you see this? Okay, can you just see what what just happened now? It actually changed the complete outfit from red to yellow. So you see, so I'm going to show you another picture of this same app. Okay, another picture of this same app. We are still going to pick a picture from my photo library. Okay, so I'm going to pick a picture that I downloaded from online. So I'm going to change the background of this picture. As you can see, the background is looking like a garden, like close with friends. Okay, so I'm going to change the background to something else. So I'm going to say change the image background to an airport. Okay. So let's see what the outcome is going to look like. Okay. Can you see? It has actually transformed this image background. Okay. See how lovely it's looking now. So you can actually use this particular AI picture. Like you can use this AI app to change backgrounds. Okay. Let's change the background of this other picture too. Change the background to a beach. Okay, let's change it to a beach. Yeah, I'm just using this as an example. Okay, you can change the background to whatever scene, like whatever thing you want. You can actually change the background to is a car park, an office. All right, can you see the lady was standing in an office, now she's standing on the beach. Okay, so you can also actually do this using your own personal picture as well. It doesn't mean AI generated pictures. I'm going to go over to my gallery now and actually show you what I mean. Okay, there is this thumbnail picture I have on my phone. Okay, look at this, is the original picture. I was using it for thumbnail. Then I was able to change it to green outfit, white, yellow, even purple. So you can use it to change whatever picture you have. Okay, you can use it to change the background. You can use it to change the color of your outfit. You can also use this particular app to generate folktale, like different realistic characters for your folktale stories, for your faceless channels and all that. So you can actually use it to generate thumbnails. Okay, it will give you thumbnails ideas for your videos. So it's multi-purpose. It can write scripts for you. If you say write a script, let me give you an instance. Write a script for a YouTube video titled how to make money online. Okay, so let's just wait for it to. Okay, so can you see this? Can you just see what this particular app tool can also do for you? It can also write scripts for you. Okay, it can write different kind of scripts, and all you have to do now is to go and shoot the video. Honestly, it can give you thumbnails ideas. It can change the background of your picture. It can do so many things for you. So the name of this app is Meta AI. Just go to your Play Store and download Meta AI. That's the name of the app. I'm going to put the logo on the screen here. Okay, so the name of the app is Meta AI.